Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
No, Ganja inna the chalice, yeah, man. Me rise up early in a golden light. No noise, no stress, just mountain sight. Me step outside with me chalice cup. Me inhale deep, just spirit wake me up. Me eyes half closed, me soul open wide. As nature chant, me heart a glide. No words needed in a this hour. Just wine bird song and ganja power. No shoes pan feet, me grounding real. Me sit pan stone, me start fi feel. The herbs guide me mind to peace, and all the worldly worries cease. Smoke and silence, no complication. Just me and Jah in a meditation. Me burn the leaf, me breathe in deep. Me rise above, me no lose sleep. High grade meditation, me daily bread. Me no follow crowd, me spirit lead. Me reason with trees, me listen the wind. Me chant for love and cleanse me sin. Me no need cathedral, no need gold. Me temple are within me soul unfold. Each puff a prayer, each cloud a sign. Me float in rhythm, me feel divine. Ganja heal me mind and skin. It open gates, feel look within. Me hear me ancestors, them whisper low. Keep it humble and let Jah grow. Me see me future in a smoke design. A clear path, all sacred, all aligned. Me no rush life, me take me pace. Me walk in truth, me walk in grace. Smoke and silence, no complication. Just me and Jah in a meditation. Me burn the leaf, me breathe in deep. Me rise above, me no lose sleep. High grade meditation, fire a burn. Fi in a balance, me daily turn. Me chant for joy, me chant for right. Me hold your light in darkest night. Me wake me farm, me chant me eat. Me live slow life, me stay complete. Me not envy Babylon bling. Me happy with me drum and the song me sing. Me cook Ital, me sip on roots. Me chant psalms under star fruit shoots. Me reason with elders, me guide the youth. Me pass on wisdom, me live me truth. Me no wear crown, but me feel royal. Each day a gift, each breath vital. Me wear dreadlocks, me wear peace. Me walk Jah road until release. Me see this world a full of stress, but Rasta way bring happiness. Me herb sacred, me path clear. Jah presence strong, Jah voice near. So light it up and sit still. Let Jah take you up the hill. Let go worry, let go fight. Come hold a meditation light. Smoke, silence and a beat. That's how me soul and heaven meet. And in a me chant, me always find peace, love, and a clear eye mind. No. Kaya and music, yeah, man. Inna the heart of the concrete land, me wake to horns and Babylon's hand. But me light me spliff, me give me praise. Me chant for guidance through city maze. Me wear me dread like crown on head. Me trot through street where hope seem dead. But me not fear no evil vibe. Me bring Jah light where shadows hide. Me see them run, them chase the pay. Them lose them soul along the way. But me stay firm, me stand me ground. Me reggae beat still shake the town. Yeah, green smoke rising high in the sky. Jah know me spirit, Jah hear me cry. From rooftop high to subway. trouble cease. With ganja fire and roots in chest, me meditate, me find me rest. Me reach me corner, me safe zone. Me sit on rooftop all alone. Me roll it clean, me roll it tight. One spark and me soul ignite. Me close me eyes, me feel the beat. Me levitate above the street. Me nah need plane, me nah need car. Me fly with rhythm to Zion star. Me think about life, me think about now. Oh, system try fi make man bow, but me resist in gentle way. Me live Ital, me smoke and pray. Ria green smoke rising high in the sky, while sirens wail and pigeons fly. Me hold me peace inside me lungs. Me sing me songs in ancient tongues. Nia, no preacher tell I what fi feel. Me herb a temple, me truth real. Me no escape, me face me seen, but still me rise in smoke so green. Inna the chaos, me still hear drum. Me heart a bassline, me soul a strum. Me walk with staff through Market Street. Me greet them youth, me drop them beat. Them ask Rasta, how you cope? Me say me whole faith, me burn me hope. Me herb is key, me chant is gate. Me vibe strong, me love no hate. The food me cook, it pure and true. Me drink me roots, me sip me brew. Me tell the youth, love yourself first. Babylon train you fi feel cursed. When the moon rise over tower light, me feel Jah presence hold me tight. No need fi mansion, me have stars. Me roll one more beneath the cars. Each puff a prayer, each draw a song. Me hold this liberty firm and strong. Me nah compete, me nah pretend. Me know Jah walk with I till end. So if you're lost in steel and stone, just light one up and trod alone. Listen fi rhythm pan traffic beat. Let the fire guide your feet. Zion echoes in the smoke we send. Truth arise and pain amen. Me city prayer, me herbal hymn. Me journey start from deep within. Feel it in it.
Ganja is Rastasmans medicine, ya man. Ganja. Me rise up with sun pan me face. Me barefoot step on sacred place. No rush, no chase, no time fi war. Me move with the rhythm from near and far. Me ear drum beat deep in the earth. Ancient sound from long before birth. Me lock, me crown, me stretch, me hand, me feel Jah pulse move through the land. Me wrap me herb in banana leaf. Me chant one prayer for world relief. Me heart dance to the Naya bingy fire. This vibration lift me higher and higher. Rhythm of the roots, it a call me soul. Me step in a trance, me lose control. Me dance for the love, me move for the light. Me chant in a rhythm all day and night. Roots like river, sound so true. Rhythm of the roots, it carry you. Me see me sister swing like tree. Me see me brother jump and free. We no need no diamond chain. Me only need the rhythm fi ease me brain. Me swing, me dread, me lift me chest. Me know Jah bless, me know me blessed. No Babylon tune can shake this core. This roots rhythm reach me to the core. Me sip some coconut fresh and sweet. Me feel the fire under me feet. Me drum, me chant, me spirit fly. Me link with Jah inna the open sky. Rasta no dance just for the show. We move with purpose, let it flow. We spin, we chant, we open gate. We free the mind, we drop the weight. Me light the chalice, me inhale deep. Me mind open wide, no time for sleep. This meditation come true base. It bring me back to Zion place. Rhythm of the roots make me levitate. Every step a blessing I carry it. Me chant in a rhythm, me smoke the truth. Me dance in a circle with Jah youth. No lie can break this unity. Rhythm of the roots, set I free. Nightfall come, firelight glow. Me people gather and spirit flow. Conga drum and bongo rise. We chant and praise under starlit skies. Me feel the ancestors in a beat. Them guide me foot, them move me feet. From Africa to Caribbean wave. This rhythm rise from jam and grave. Me see the lion, me see the lamb. Me hold me heart in a Japan. Me chant one love from me chest. In a rhythm, me soul rest. Na 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 na. Give me the paper, yeah, man. Me live simple, me live clean. Me plate full of greens, me soul serene. Ital stew on fire slow. Coconut yam plantain fi grow. No processed food fi touch me hand. Me eat straight from Jah creation land. No MSG, no meat, no lie. Me food pure like the morning sky. Me mother teach me how fi cook. From nature's garden, not from book. Me use me herbs fi flavor true. Basil, thyme and mint leaf too. Yo, Ital is vital, me no joke. Me sip roots tonic when me smoke. Me eat fi heal, me chant fi rise. Me live the way that open eyes. No chemicals, me soul reject. Me cook with love and full respect. Ital livity, it keep me strong. Rasta part where I belong. Food are the key to higher thought. What you eat affect what you sought. No junk, no fast food chain. Me stomach pure, me brain no strain. Ital meal a sacred thing. It tune the body like Jah did bring. Avocado, callaloo, sorrel red. It uplift life, it no bring dread. Me cook with chant, me bless me plate. Me know me destiny, me know me fate. Me children learn this ancient way to keep them soul from stray away. Ital is vital, fire ablaze. Me cook in a love, me give Jah praise. Every part of meditation right. Me feed me body and me light. Me no need lab or factory man. Me trust Jah earth, Jah sacred plan. Ital wisdom, Rasta code. Me take it with me on the road. Me smoke me weed, me feel Jah near. Ital food make me vision clear. The two combine a holy link. Me sip me bush tea, me start to think. class. Me find Jah through me roots and dross. Me no run down the fancy name. Me live with humble heart and flame. No big house fi bring me joy. Me garden and fire me real employ. Me cook outside, me sing a song. Me give thanks all year long. Me not stress pan what me will lack. Me full with love, me not look back. Ital food, ital soul. Me live for purpose, not for goal. And when me pass this way someday, me know me walk the Rasta way. Ital is vital, me chant it loud. Me lifestyle firm, me spirit proud. Ganja burn and greens are steam. Me live in a real and holy dream. Roots and culture on me plate. Me elevate, me resonate. Zion call, me heart respond. Me live ital, me soul band.
No, Zion lion is back, my Rastas. Darkness drop like Jah velvet robe. Me step on earth, feel the globe. No light but the stars and moon. Me heart beat steady, chant Jah tune. Me walk among trees, me barefoot free. Me spirit rise in a Zion decree. All them call breeze whisper low. Me hear Jah voice in a wind that blow. No Babylon nice, just silence pure. Me soul find strength, me mind secure. Me hold me spliff, give thanks for night. The urban moon, them shine me sight. Zion by moonlight, me soul take flight. No trouble here, just stars so bright. Me chant in the dark, me feel the flame. Me no need gold, me praise Jah name. By moonlight, me truly see what daylight hide come clear to me. Me sip on stone, me close me eyes. Me breathe deep, feel Jah in skies. Me no see wall, me no see chain. Me see love rise through Jah rain. Me reason with eye, me reason with tree. Me reason with stars that shine pon me. Them tell me truth that books no write. Them show me peace in Jah pure light. No illusion, no fast life spin. Just Rasta way, clean soul within. Me light one more pass to me brother. We share one flame, we light together. Me travel far without a step. Me soul go deep, me heart accept. Jah open gate where eyes can't see. In a moonlight code, me find the key. Drum echo in a me chest. Me know this path, me know me blessed. No fear here, just sacred ground. Where Jah truth always be found. Zion by moonlight, no disguise. Me walk the path, me hear the cries. But in a silence, me find the cure. Me realize what life is for. By moonlight, me sing so clear. Jah love alone, me carry near. Me see vision of warrior drum. Me see Zion children still to come. Them rise with love, not guns and fear. Them chant truth, them make it clear. Me see Naya Bindi fire burn. Them chant one love, Babylon turn. Me hear me grandmother voice again. Say child walk wise and feel the rain. Me bless me head, me hold the vibe. Me carry the rhythm, me keep the tribe. Me build me song like mountain tall. Me drop them verses like sacred call. Now sun peaks slow over hills so wide. But me still feel the moon inside. Me carry that light through daily strife. Me hold Jah peace, me hold Jah life. So when the world get loud and tight, me remember Zion by moonlight.
me so higher, man. Me enter temple, silence fall. Me spirit rise as me answer the call. Incense burn, me heart feel light. Me step inside your healing light. Me roll the herb, slow and wise. Me chant of psalm under mystic skies. One puff, me leave the pain. Me mind no longer feel the chain. Me sit on stone, me close me eye. Me hear the ancestors whisper why. Them say hold firm, seek your face. This herb will guide you to the sacred place. In a herb temple, me find peace. Ganja flow, all stress cease. Me chant in a haze, me float so free. Herb temple in eternity. No hate, no war, just pure vibration. Me live in a herb temple meditation. Me grind the leaf with reverence deep. Me build the chalice, me nah skip sleep. Me fire blaze, the chalice glow. Me breath in rhythm, me mind move slow. Me circle full of humble soul. We chant in harmony, full control. No ego, no mask, no disguise. Just truth light up in your eyes. Me sight the moon rise up above. Me heart full up with roots and love. Me sip the bush tea, fresh and warm. Me soul wrapped in your arm. Me no smoke for fun, me smoke for rise. Herb temple bring light to me eyes. Me meditate, me elevate. Me reach in a place where it can't wait. Me float through rhythm slow and clean. Me dance in a vision me soul never seen. Me levitate on healing base. Me see me truth, me find me space. In a herb temple, sound like prayer. Me chant and burn the smoke in air. Me sing with lion, me sleep like lamb. Me hold the vibe like sacred psalm. No lies, no illusion, no separation. Just I and I in a meditation. Me no need no eye, rise wall. Me find Jah kingdom where leaf fall. Me pick the plant with humble heart. Me know this journey just the start. Me see the youth learn the code. How to grow love, enlighten Lord. Me teach the way, me share the fire. Me pass the chalice, me lift them higher. Inna the hills where time can't rule. Me build me temple, me just cool. Me smoke for clarity, smoke for light. Me herb meditation bring me sight. Yo! So me light one more before me rest. Me give thanks for life, me know me bless. Me inhale truth, exhale stress. Herb temple guide me through the test.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 me na 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 ma. Hey, early morning light creep through me window. Birds are sing sweet hymns in the meadow. Me stretch me arms to the rising sun. Another day fi chant, another day begun. Me plant me foot on sacred earth. Me know Jah love from even birth. Me give thanks for the breeze and tree. Me give thanks for the life in me. Me light me chalice, me sip me tea. Me mind clear like Caribbean Sea. Me no run down hype nor goal. Me walk the path them ancient stone. One love still lives in each breath we take. Even in a system that try fi fake. Roots still grow and heart still beat. beat. Truth still walk down Zion Street. One love still lives through drum and bass. In a Rasta chant and Jah embrace. From Kingston town to Mount Zion Hill, the fire still burn and always will. Me remember me youth and them reggae night. The rhythm anaconda full moonlight. Me father play vinyl and close him eye. Bob voice echo no woman no cry. Me hold them words like sacred prayer. Them carry me soul through worldly fear. Me nah need fame nor diamond chain. Just a liquor spliff and roots again. Me walk the road with humble pride. Me link with nature, job by me side. From waterfall to highest pine, me feel the universal line. One love still lives like fire in a breeze. Blow through leaves and whisper peace. Me see it shine in every face. Me feel it deep in drum beat bass. One love still lives, no system can kill. It rise in silence, strong and still. Me chant it loud, me sing it true. Me pass the flame from I to you. Imagine earth with no more war, just sound systems and a star. Elders tell story, youths them learn. Fire burn bright but now fi burn. Me vision clear, a village whole, where man and woman live in soul. Me hear Naya Bingi in a breeze. Me see just smile between the trees. Me share me fruit, me share me bread. Me bless the table where I'll get fed. Me no judge man by rank or race. Me only look on art and grace. So me chant, rise up, oh children true. The world await the light in you. Smoke your herb, but open your mind. Look inside, your heart will find. One love still lives. Now me close me eye, me see the flame, it never die. Nah, nah, nah. Smoke ganja with Rastaman. Nah, nah, nah. Early light bless the hills, them gold. Me rise with the sun, me spirit bold. Wash me face in the river stream. Me cleanse me mind, me live me dream. No processing, me food come raw. Ital way, me anna jala. Banana kalalu, coconut cream. Me nourish me temple, me live clean. Me spark a spliff with pure intention. Meditation, not just attention. No hype, just deep connection. Inna me chest, love's resurrection. Come on a ride with a Ital soul. Me heart beat warm, me eyes them all. Come chant a tune under Zion sky. In a pure vibration, me spirit fly. Ital soul, Ital fire. Burn Babylon eyes, elevate higher. Me no rush, me take time with me steps. Each breath sacred, each footstep blessed. Me hear the wind whisper ancient song, telling me Rasta, you're right where you belong. Me no own much, but me rich in peace. Me kitchen humble, still joy increase. Me take me drum, beat one rhythm. Me know who I am, me no need system. Them chase glitter, me whole wisdom. Them in a panic, me in Jah kingdom. Me dreadlock long like river flow. Me roots grow deep, them can't overthrow. In a smoke, me find clarity. Me no last, me rise in sincerity. Me chant psalms in a natural space. Me walk slow, me keep Jah pace. Me no need fast lane, me need peace. Me no buy chaos, me choose release. In the herb, me find me guide. In a Jah light, me always reside. Come on a ride with a Ital soul. Me cook up love in a coconut bowl. Me vibes them fresh, me thoughts them bright. Me step in truth from morn till night.
Ital soul, Ital flame. Me carry no hate, me no play no game. Sit pan rock with me brethren them. Reason about life from way back when. No phone, no screen, just real talk. Rasta heart, long forest walk. We share fruits and split the herb. No fake smiles, we speak Jah word. We laugh, we cry, we sing them tunes. Under crescent moon we chant full moons. Me daughter dance barefoot in grass. Me son build strength like roots in a class. Them grow with wisdom, not just rule. Them learn Jah ways, not just school. So ride with me, Ital road long. But we sing life's truth like Rasta song. Me can't promise riches, me can't promise fame, but me offer freedom in Jah name. Me live simple, me heart stay wide. Jah compasses me in a guide. So if you seek light and peace inside, then welcome to the Ital Soul Ride.
Raspa me boots, broad single men. Me rise with the breeze, silencing on me dome. Mountains whispering like ancestors call me home. Coconut tile pan me skin, me heart at ease. Me chanting on nature, me soul find peace. Birds a sing them sacred tune. Rasta bow to just sun and moon. No concrete, just earth beneath me feet. Ital food, sweet fruit me eat. This life a gift, me live it wise. Me eyes no blinded by Babylon lies. Me nah need no glitter, no gold. Me spirit rich, me heart stable. Roots and whispers guide I soul. Herb and drum make I whole. Me chanting silence, moving light. Jaja love me sacred right. Roots and whispers day and night. Me burn me fire, keep it bright. No system touch me meditation. Rasta walk with elevation. Me sip me tea from bush me grow. Me nah rush, I move slow. Rhythm from the hills play na I brain. Every beat I wash like gentle rain. Me reason deep with me brethren. Both stars, both herbs, both where we've been. Each moment sacred, no time for waste. Me walk through Zion in perfect grace. Lion heart, serpent wise. Me see through many disguise. But me not preach it. Me preach one love like a dove. Rise from flames above. Roots and whispers make me fly. Me soul not chain, me spirit high. Me chant to Jah, me voice go far. Beyond the system, beyond the war. Roots and whispers pure and strong. Rasta live long, live strong. Me move like wind, me flow like stream. Me wake the people from Babylon dream. Beat the drum, light the flame. Call the ancestors, call them names. Selassie I guide I through this road. Me carry love, me carry code. No violence in a me meditation. Just balance art, vibration. Me plant herb, me plant hope. Me build ladder, me cut rope. Sometimes me cry for the world's pain. So me chant more to break the chain. Me not escape, me elevate. Me create space for ones to wake. This liberty humble yet mighty. The breeze know I name, the sky write me. Each leaf a scripture, each breeze a psalm. Me live in a silence but me heart stay warm. Me smoke one spliff, me close me eye. Me feel Jah presence in the sky. No preacher, no book, just connection. This reggae life is resurrection. Roots and whispers hold I tight. Me soul walk free in a Jah light. Me rise with sun, me sleep with moon. Me dance for love, me chant, me tune. Roots and whispers whisper again. Teach the youth, guide the men. Me leave me word.
Aye, aye, aye. Rastaman smoke high and grilled chicken, yeah, man. Oh, 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 oh. In the silence of the night, me hear the call. Whispers from the trees, them rise and fall. Ancient spirits dancing a wind, telling stories about the fire within. Me light a candle, chant a prayer, cleanse me soul from worldly fear. Me not chase no gold or fame. Me seek the truth, not play no game. Me feel the drum beat deep in me bones. Guide me path when me walk alone. The mystic fire, it blaze so bright. Burning lies, revealing light. Mystic fire blaze up in me. Show I the way, set a spirit free. In the dark I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's ark. Me climb the mountain, chant Rastafari, thunderclap and the eagle fly. Me hold a chalice, reason with star. No said Jah, never far. Babylon try fi confuse the youth, but me drop rhythm like holy truth. Me words them heal, them rise like tide. Even in pain me na run, me ride. Me wear me crown of fruits and leaf. Me live me days beyond belief. Meditation me daily food. Me walk with lion heart through the wood. Mystic fire blaze up in me. Show I the way, set a spirit free. In the dark I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's ark. Oh yeah, yeah. When the world fall quiet, me still chant strong. Me know where me belong. Me heart beat like thunder drum. When the world fall quiet, me still chant strong. Yeah, when the world fall quiet, when the all them system try control me breath, but Rasta chant put lies to death. Me soul not sell, me path divine. Me reason with trees and ancient sign. Them build the walls, me walk through still. Me hold firm, Jah give me will. Me skank through fire, me feel no flame. Cause me heart already team. Me voice echo in a valley deep. Awaken ones them long asleep. Me words like keys, unlock the mind. Set the chain, soul free from bind. Me nah carry grudge, me carry grace. Me blaze herbs in a sacred place. Me lift me ends and give up praise to Jah who guide through all me days. Mystic fire blaze up in me. Show I the way, set a spirit free. In the dark I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's ark. Mystic fire blaze up in me. Show I the way, set a spirit free. In the dark I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's ark.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Rastaman is so high. Inna the jungle, yeah man. Me see her walk on Jah earth so fine. Barefoot queen like the stars she shine. She carry the wisdom of roots and vine. Her eyes reflect that love divine. Under the moonlight she roll the leaf. In a silence we find relief. No need for rush, we take it slow. Through urban chant our spirits grow. Rasta love whispers through the trees, like sacred wind upon the breeze. No need for words, me heart she know. Together we move where the rivers flow. See me queen, me natural vibe. No makeup, no lies, just pure tribe. We chant and laugh beneath Jah skies. Rasta love never fade, it never dies. Me tell our stories of stars and sand.
She paint me future with her gentle hand. We light the chalice, give thanks and pray. Each sunrise bring a brighter day. She plant her food with care and song. She teach the youth what's right from wrong. Her voice like bird song in the trees. She bring me soul eternal peace. Me no need diamond, me no need gold. Her love more precious, never old. She hold me down like sacred ground. With every touch me joy is found. Light it up me empress true. Me sky turn blue when me sight of you. Rasta love no drama scene. Jah make me queen from roots so clean. Hold me hand, we blaze the way. With one heart, we nah go stray. Oh, Rasta love whispers in the night, like moonlight draped in soft delight. We nah fight, we nah pretend. We just flow like rivers bend. In a hammock or beneath the stars, we heal each other's deepest scars. No stress, no fear, no mask to wear. Just Rastafari love, forever there. Me empress crown, she wear it tall. She chant for peace, she pray for all. She guide me soul, she spark me fire. She lift me up, she take me higher. Through every storm, she not let go. She keep it steady, she make it flow. From Blue Mountain to Westmoreland, together we walk, hand in hand. We reason deep, we laugh out loud. We dance beneath each thundercloud. Our temple built on sacred ground, where only truthful hearts are found. So if you find a queen so true, hold her close, give thanks for who. Love that born from roots so deep is the love you always keep. Ay, 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 ay. Gamba cushion of the chalice, yeah, man. Sunrise a peek through me window pane. Me stretch and yawn, feel no pain. Me kettle boil, me chalice load. Ital breakfast, pan the stove. Birds a sing, rhythm start fi play. Me give thanks fi Jah. This beautiful day, me step outside with me spliff in hand. The whole earth feel like promised land. Ganja morning, skank, skank all day. Bless up me soul in a natural way. Me spirit high like a mountain top. Reggae pan repeat, it nah go stop. We smoke, we laugh, we chant, we live. Me heart full up, God love forgive. No system stress can hold me down. Me wear me crown, Rasta in the town. The youth them gather for the corner side. One rhythm, one fire, one vibe inside. Me light the flame with conscious thought. Every pull of the herb bring what Babylon a taught. Me brethren play the Naya bingy drum. Sistren sing while the spirit come. We reason deep about life and fate. No hate round here, just clean slate. Me look pon the hills, feel Jah call. This life me live, me nah go fall. From the first spliff to me final breath, me walk with love, me nah fear death. Bless up the farmer, we grow it right. No chemicals, just pure sunlight. Me blaze it for healing, for truth, for joy. Ganja me weapon, me tool, me toy. Babylon say illegal, but me say free. This plan connect I to divinity. So skank with me, left worries behind. A Rastaman's joy, me easy to find. Ganja morning skank, wake up strong. The heartbeat beat to Jaja song. Me spirit rise like the burning flame. Me no
no need riches, me no need fame. We skank, we bun, we elevate. Me cleanse me mind, me meditate. Each puff a prayer, each step a dance. Rasta life, now leave to chance. Now me day comes on a blaze full eat me shirt off, barefoot feel concrete. Children laugh, them run and play. Ital juice cool down me way. Me sit with me elders, wisdom time. Them tell me truth in rhythm and rhyme. No rush, you just know your lane. Ganja guide through joy and pain. Me take that in, give thanks again. Me life simple, me not chase fame. Me chase peace, me chase one tone. Rastaman stand firm like stone. Ganja morning, skank from dawn till night. Me soul shine bright in a holy light. Me walk me path with heart so free. Skank into the sound of liberty. We burn it slow, we sing it loud. We lift the vibe above the cloud. No worry here, just good vibration. Reggae love is me true salvation.
Yeah. As she smoke with my bread, jazz, yeah, man. Early morning, me roll up the leaf. Steam rise, me soul find relief. Irie vibration, a guide me day. Me step with Jah, me heart not stray. No clock rule, I meditation. Me float pan a higher station. Reggae beat in a me chest, me not stress, me just rest. Me sip on roots tonic deep in a trance. Watch the coconut tree them dance. Me ride through sound like river flow. Let the wind and rhythm blow. On an Irie journey me fly so free. Smoking a cloud breeze from the sea. Love in a me pocket, truth in a me song. Me skanking all day, Jah keep I strong. Me reason with elders, them wisdom tall. Them teach me how to rise when me fall. No need for vanity or the fame. Just like the flame and call Jah name. Me walk through village, me smiley wide. Me share me fruits, me share me vibe. Me plant some ganja near the stream. Watch it grow in a Irie dream. Me nah bother with the worldly speed. Me just breathe and plant the seed. Rasta live it in natural code. Me write me story on the road. On an Irie journey, me fly so free. Smoking a cloud breeze from the sea. Love in a me pocket, truth in a me song. Me skanking all day, Jah keep I strong. Me see vision when me close me eye. Colors dance across the sky. Rhythm like river flowing inside. Me nah hide, me let Jah guide. Sound system echo truth so loud. Lift me head, rise above the crowd. Me nah judge, me overstand. This Irie life me build with hand. Me light up one, give thanks for life. Me bless each moment, no space for strife. Me chant for the children, the youth, the peace. For the pain in the world to finally cease. Me carry drum beat like it's gospel. Me play it real, never hostile. Me step clean, me mind sharp. Me spirit dance in a Zion Park. Me now wait pon Babylon sign. Me follow Jah sun when it shine. And when me fall, me rise again. Me walk through fire, me feel no pain. On an Irie journey, me fly so free. Smoking a cloud breeze from the sea. Love in a me pocket, truth in a me song. Me skanking all day, Jah keep I strong. One spliff, one breath, one song. Me carry Jah light all day long. Me rise, me heal, me live, me learn. To roots and fire, me always return.
Ay, Jamaica.
ash inna the paper. Yeah man, inna the silence me hear Jah voice. Whisper freedom, whisper choice. The roots grow deep, the wings spread wide. We journey long, but Jah a guide. Me sit on the hillside, watch sunrise. Golden rays open me eyes. Me feel earth beat under my feet. Truth and love in the heart repeat. The system mash up minds with fear, but in my soul me keep it clear. Them can't touch what Jah create. Spirit strong, now carry weight. We live in times of shadow play, but me say light always find way. Babylon crumble in due season. Truth arise, Jah give the reason. Your roots of freedom, wings of light. Lift we high through darkest night. Nah bow, nah bend, we stay true. Jah carry with through and through. Me say love at the real weapon. Cut deeper than any gun. Me chant redeem fi heal the pain. Wash we soul like summer rain. Every heartbeat a revolution. Every breath a contribution. We not silent, we not small. Each voice a part of Jah call. Them say we weak, them say we lost, but me spirit pay no cost. We born fi live, born fi shine. We root and branch of the divine. Close your eyes, feel the breeze. Wisdom float like ancient seas. The earth a teach, the sky a sing. Freedom fly on eagle wing. Now let illusion pull you down. Lift your heart above the ground. Jah kingdom now made of gold. It's love and truth we hold. Your roots of freedom, wings of light. Lift we high through darkest nights. Nah bow, nah bend, we stay true. Jah carry we through and through. Me granny say, hold the line. Every struggle got your sign. Me say yes, me take that path. Even when storm bring wrath. Unity the power we need. One heart, one love, one seed. Me chant for the people, chant for the land. All are we part of Jahan. So when you feel lost in confusion, remember Zion, not illusion. Roots deep, wings wide. In Jah we forever abide.
Zion not go. Go, go, go. Zion not go. We wake up before the city scream. Before Babylon starts selling me dream. Concrete fields and metal vine. Still Jah light are the first sign. Skyscraper shadow cover me head, but me spirit rise like sunrise red. Them lock we in system cage, but me chant break chain. Me burn them page. Then build the tower, sell the lie. Say freedom real, but only the sky. Them program me mind with flashy light, but me vision sharp in Jaja sight. Me now walk like sheep in a them lane. Me heart beat drum, me chant free gain. From dust to flame, from root to sky. Me see the truth, me live the fly. Lion's breath in a iron jungle. Road for truth, never silent, never humble. Me nah bow, me nah stumble. Jah guide me step through the thunder rumble. Lion's breath, me soul erupt. Babylon fall like volcano corrupt. Me chant higher, me chant wise. Me fire rise, till freedom rise. Them promise peace with plastic smile, but me see the poison in them file. Them raise
machines and silent street. Me chant for the roots, me chant for we. Me rather barefoot inna the rain than sit in gold and wear them chain. Me rather poor with wisdom bright than blind in riches, lose your light. Me talk to me you them every day, tell them look deep, find your way. The system train fi make them straight, but me voice a torch, me show them way. Me nah get caught in a shiny scheme, me soul nah selfie, digital dream. Them want control, them want me tame, but me call me name, me light me flame. Lion's breath in a iron jungle, roar for truth, never silent, never humble. Me nah bow, me nah stumble, Jah guide me step through the thunder rumble. Lion's breath, the soul erupt, Babylon fall like volcano corrupt. Me chant higher, me chant wise, me fire rise till freedom rise. Me see the cameras, see the drones, see the abstract me like stones, but me chanting code, me chanting sign. Me spirit rebel in Jah design, me light in sense.
Ay, 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 Kingston Kush inna me pocket. Yeah, man. Under the moonlight glow, me hear Jah whisper. Child, your heart stronger than iron blister. Now let them break your mind, stand tall. Your roots deep, your spirit never fall. Me rise with the sun pa my face. Sitting nice, fade me find Jah grace. Them build wall fi divide and rule, but me heart now fit Babylon school. Me eyes open wide like the eagle flight. Me see the tricks them hide in plain sight. Talk of freedom, but a mental cage, control pan every book and page. But me spirit dance in a rain, wash away the chains of pain. The river of truth flow through me vein, heal me soul again and again. Oh, river of truth, guide me way. Mountain of strength, make me stay. Babylon crumble when we unite. Jah light shine pure and bright. Red them push poison out we food and air, but Mama Earth still make we care. Herb in a hand, chant pan lip. Roots man can't lose the grip. Me hear the call from ancient drum. The ancestors say freedom come. Each beat a step toward liberation. We build up we own foundation. System mash up mind with fear, but we not deaf, we still here. Nature teach the higher way. We not stray, we not sway. Stand pon the rock, feel the power. We the roots, we the flower. Every star in the sky remind Jah design not be confined. Brethren, sistren, hold your place. Babylon a fall in disgrace. We vision clear like river stream. We build Zion from we dream. Port river of truth, guide me way. Mountain of strength, make me stay. Babylon crumble when we unite. Jah light shine pure and bright. Them say we small but we infinite. Every rebel heart a dynamite. Me carry the fire in me chest. Now rest till we manifest. Jah plan bigger than politics. Love stronger than them dirty tricks. Me say heal your mind, heal your soul. The revolution fully whole. Nah need no crown pon me head. Me royalty can't be misled. Inna the storm, me stand secure. Jah blessing always pure. River of truth flow on and on. Mountain of strength make we strong. From Zion hill to city street. The rebel heart now face defeat. Right, rise up now, hold the flame. Babylon can't win this game. We roots deep, we future bright. In a Jah love, we find the light. Wait.
Ay, ay, ay. Rastaman is so high. Yeah, man, Zion. Roots, let's go. The chains them forward so tight, but Jah light mash them in a night. Every link break one by one. Freedom shine like the rising sun. Them think them like we in the system, but Jah already right with wisdom. Them wave false flag on eye, but me I see through the lie. Concrete city cold and grey, but roots rebel every day. Them said rules fi keep we down, but Zion spirit wear the crown. Me hear the cries from long before. Ancestors knock on the door. Them blood still not decile. Fuel the fire when we tile. Chains break, spirits rise. See the truth in Jah eyes. Them can't hold we soul hostage. We free long before them bondage. Them distract with the glitter bright, but we focus on righteous fight. Politicians smile, but me see snake. Me not buy the lie, nah take the bait. From Africa to every shore, we chant for justice more and more. Them take we history, twist the tail, but we roots too deep we fail. Me chant for the youth in the streets, for the mothers who feel defeat. Lift up your head, remember truth. We future bright, powered by youth. Rhythm a guide me through the fire. Lift me up from Makamaya. Babylon tower soon a fall. Jah kingdom rise over all. We nah go silent, nah retreat. Each heartbeat sound like drum beat. Chains crumble under fate. We dance for Zion, celebrate. Chains break, spirits rise. See the truth in Jah eyes. Them can't hold we soul hostage. We free long before them bondage. Me say one love, one mission. No compromise, no submission. We take back what them thief. We build hope from every grief. The warriors come in many forms. Some quiet, some like storm, but each one hold the key. Fi break down the slavery. Me say keep your mind sharp like blade. Babylon trick fi invade, but truth shine brighter than gold. A story of freedom forever told. Chains gone, we spirit fly. Lift up your voice to the sky. Zion call we by name. Forever free, forever flame. We people rise, not turn back. We journey strong, we stay on track. Chains break, but we still strong. In a Jah light, we belong.
Ay, ay, ay. Break the false Babylon.
Freeze them, free for the people. Them be lie walls, but Jah be liar. Them light false flames, but Jah is the fire. Me voice echo through city and all. Babylon walls, them off fall. Me walk through streets of iron and smoke. Me carry Jah light, me never broke. System heavy on every side, but me stand firm, me nah hide. Them send message fi keep we down. Push the youth fi wear the crown of slavery in a modern dress, but me chant truth, me nah stress. Camera watching every move, but me step with righteous groove. Them can record, them can spy, but Jah watch them from the sky. Babylon walls must fall. Hear the rebel call, hear the rebel call. We rise up tall, we break the chain. Freedom song in a pouring rain. Them sell the poison in a pretty box. The mind control, lock the flocks. But me say wake up, open your eyes. See the trap, see the disguise. Me not take no job for peace. Me trust Jah, me find release. Them push fear like it's a cure, but truth stand firm, ever pure. Every street corner, me eerie cry. Voices rising to the sky. We tired of lie, we tired of pain. Time for wash them out like rain. Them cyborg dreams not fit we soul. We not born fit take control. Organic art, organic mind. We live free, not get signed. Look on nature, look on tree. Them show the path for you and me. Roots deep, leaves reach high. We part of Jah truth, can't deny. Babylon walls must fall. Hear the rebel call, hear the rebel call. We rise up tall, we break the chain. Freedom song in a pouring rain. Me chant for the elder, chant for youth. Me chant for the world, fi know the truth. Me not stop till justice reign, till the wicked wash down the drain. No matter how long the road, me carry Jah heavy load. Through valley low, mountain steep, Jah keep me safe, Jah keep me deep. So light your torch and stand beside. This revolution can't hide. Babylon walls may look strong, but truth and love last longer long. Babylon walls must fall. Yes, me said them have to fall.
Ay, 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 deep in a this sweat, kaya man. When the sun dip low and sky start glow, me roll me split, real steady and slow. In a hammock swing, me close me eye, a school breeze kiss, and night pass by. No nicer city, no lighter screen, just crickets chanting in jungle green. Me fire ablaze, me mind at ease, me chant a psalm for inner peace. The herb a talk, the moon a guide, me spirit walk, me soul no hide. Me heart beat slow, me thoughts align. In this midnight hour, me feel divine. Rasta Moonlight, I in the sky. Bless up me head, me soul fly high. Smoke rise slow, like holy prayer. Jah in the breeze, Jah everywhere. Under the stars, me chant me name. Me born again, me know the same. Me trod in silence, lovers guide. With ganja smoke and roots inside. Me sit pan rock, beside the stream. Me listen deep, inside me dream. Me see me granny, me hear them wise. Them say youth stay humble, watch the skies. Me draw one deep and close me eyes, and vision open like butterfly. Me see me journey, me know me place. Me carry forward with Jah grace. No goal me seek, no crown me chase. Me seek the rhythm, me live in pace. Each breath a blessing, each beat a truth. Me write me life from early youth. Rasta Moonlight, heal me brain. Wash away distress, wash away pain. Smoke rise gentle like breeze from sea. Me chant in peace, me chant for free. Lion heart inside me chest, urban
Me soul at rest from coconut tree to mango shade. Me soul at